Are you sure this is my filter?
No.
Where am I?
What do you mean? What's the problem?
This just isn't working.
That's not lined up properly.
Yeah, but it's not. It doesn't even have enough holes.
2, 3, 4, 5. Where's all the holes?
Freaking bubbly.
Move it out. Move it out. Move it out of the way. There's only 3 holes. Yeah, a little bit. Got a little bit of water in it.
Again. You're watching commentary episode number 30. So Tom's got a little energy. I don't know what Tom did, if he got like a bunch of 5-hour energy things or something. I don't know, but anyway, I'm still on the DRZ, unfortunately. I know a lot of you are bummed I'm not on my 300, but that will return for Season 2, along with the amazing surprise that will be revealed on the premiere of Season 2. So, there's my kill switch not working.
Oh. Come on!
So, Tom works his way over to Suicide Hill.
Woo!
Wow. Alright. Let's see what happens here.
What information you...
So this next part, I gotta explain that Tom has a fear of river crossings. He flooded out a bike once, but we're not gonna get into that.
Yeah! That was great!
So he made it across without flooding out his motor, requiring a full rebuild after the engine rusted out after a couple of days of water sitting in the motor. We'll have Tom explain that story sometime.
Look at that! That is my front tire.
So this next part was a whole new area, and it all started with Tom pushing me into this.
This is an untouched water crossing. I'm not liking this. I don't know, Zach. Well, you already freaking pushed me. That's not my fault.
He made it! So that's not it, though.
Hey, not even back right. Whoa, whoa! Son of a... You gotta stay on the bank! Yeah, no dip.
It's not going the best for Tom, but he gets it.
Oh, son of a... Push the bike along! Ow!
That DRZ got on one wheel. Whoa!
Oh no! Yes!
Now, I gotta warn anything or anybody in the woods, if you get in the way of Tom, he will take you out.
Ow! Mother of pearl, hit me right in the neck. Whoa! What are you doing? Yeah, that's right. That's what you get.
Wow.
Go get him, go!
And he really had some caffeine.
What is this face taking me through? What is this?
I gotta make a trail here. This is nasty. But we work our way through. There's no trails. This is all free riding. Whoa! Shoot! I just dropped the bike. Oh, and here's a champion log crosser. Seriously, Tom will go over any log he sees. He gets over all of them. It might take him 2 hours, but he'll still get over it. So like always, I gotta go off and do something stupid.
Holy Jesus!
This isn't good.
That bike did not want to come down. Holy crap, that's steep. That's like freaking vertical, man.
Last time I did this, I had the oil problem, where it all drained out through the air filter.
Holy crap. How do you do this kind of stuff?
So the bogging problem returns.
What the?
And then Tom goes to hit suicide.
Okay, that was not pretty successful. Oh, Jesus. Oh, stop sliding. Oh.
On his attempt to get back out, he dropped it.
That's not where I wanted to be.
And then I'm dealing with my bogging problem, or cutting out problem. Sounds like it's out of gas, but it's not. I think it's the carb with the float adjustment, not letting off gas in, but I get stuck into a mud hole just to make everything much better. What happens next? I don't know.
I'll bring in.
I have no idea. What the heck was that? This part is very emotional for me.
God.
Look what Tom did. I am beyond unhappy about this.
That's not even funny.
So everybody write a comment saying, rest in peace to the bucket. Now actually, on a positive note here, I think we might have one of the best crashes by Tom. Now that didn't look like much, but let's see what I saw.
Uh-oh.
He pretty much did a backflip.
Tom, that's one of those points where you bail at the top. You don't hang on for the ride.
And then Tom tries it again. And now we end up at a different hill, a little bit over.
Oh, shoot.
Now, I don't know how this happened, but watch this next attempt. How did that happen? Finally, he gets up it. And there's Nelly getting blasted by the roost. Now, Tom went back down to the valley, so he has to come out this way. And this just doesn't go well for him. So now he's got to go down and try it again.
Are you kidding me?
And then I show up and drop the bike. That's it! Thank you for watching. I'll see you on episode 31. And then we got season 2 very shortly coming up. Thank you.